Mayor, good morning po. Aaron from SMNI. Earlier you have said that the Hakbang ng Maisog will further insist on its constitutional right. Can you further walk us through on that, sir?
Well, ganito yan. As much as we can, we go through the formalities. So, pumunta kami noon, sa Bulacan to nagsimula na hindi na talaga kami na, sa Davao kasi, siyempre, andun man ako. Then sa Davao del Norte, medyo okay man. Then, so ngayon, ang nangyari dito sa Bulacan and sa Dumaguete, dito, walang response from the LGU. So, but, since it is a constitutional right, I think the permit is only a formality. But if you really have to, invoke your right, then you can express how you really feel. So, kung pigilan ka, o pigilan ang hakbang ng Maisog, then, like I said, we can really insist to do what we want. Within the bounds of the law. Like I said, it's a peaceful assembly. So as long as there is no damage to any person or property, then it's okay.
Good morning, Mayor. Magdalamas ka na para ng Tacloban. Sir, na-mention niyo na rin kanina na this is not the first time na mangyari yung pinatuloy yung rally ninyo. Are you expecting na estimate na may mangyayari bang same incidents in other LGUs na bibisitahin nyo to conduct rally?
Yeah, but I cannot really tell what will happen in the future. Pero given the current trend, tingin ko, ganun din talaga. Because we're talking about the administration. So they can do whatever they can to prevent us from talking. So tingin ko, probably, yun talaga ang mangyayari. Unless, hindi matakot yung local officials ng LGU na pupuntahan namin. If they allow us. Actually, nasa lang yan. Sa local officials ng isang lugar. If they want to not really support it, but just allow it lang.
Mayor, MJ ulit sa SMNI. Sir, for the record, anong comment mo dun sa movement ng PNP sa ginawa po sa mga members ng Davao City Police?
Okay lang. If they want to investigate, then they can investigate. Kasi nangyari yun, yung declaration ko on war on drugs. Hindi ko lang maintindihan talaga kung bakit sa dami-dami ng problema dito sa Pilipinas, why would you spend time and resources on somebody or a local executive that's declaring war against drugs. Parang, is it a bad thing that I'm declaring war against drugs? Ayun yung question dyan. So, bakit sobrang allergic sila sa platform na yan? It was a popular platform by the former president. And it still is a popular platform. Because the question is, sino ba gusto maging bangag o gusto maging kamag-anak mo, kapatid mo, mga tao sa communities nyo maging bangag? So that's why, as a local executive, in order for me to protect my citizens, either figuratively or literally, I will say that this city or my city is against it and is at war with drugs.
Hindi hinto, sir, ako ng drugs sa Davao.
Hmm?
Hindi po ihinto. Tutuloy-tuloy natin.
Well, it's a declaration. It's either you take it figuratively or literally. It is supposed to deter from individuals to go into that kind of activity.